I'm Linda Coopersmith, and this is Closets Etc., the show that brings you creative design and organizational ideas. You're probably wondering, my gosh, this giant room, who's got a closet space that big? Well, let me tell you, the newest trend for me in my business is I've been converting bedrooms into walk-in closets. And this happens to be a master bedroom. Some people love their clothes more than where they sleep at night. So what I did here is I created this giant walk-in closet in this bedroom, but however, it's expensive to do, right? Not really. Would you believe that all of these cabinets surrounding on these walls behind me are from IKEA? That's right. They are IKEA cabinets. They come about 39 inches wide and they're approximately about 84 inches or so high, which is great. That you can double hang, have space for long hanging and shelves above. They come in narrower ones too, which I have on the side here. The options are definitely up to you, what you need. First of all, calculate what you own, buy the cabinets accordingly. I like to use shirt bins like these to keep the handbags upright, and why not throw in a valet or two so that you can hang your outfit for the night out here or your dry cleaning when it comes in. One of the things that I also like is a way to display sunglasses, and what better way than in a clear acrylic showcase like this. Take a look at that. It feels like you're shopping in your own closet. Now wait until I show you what's on the other side of this bench. The island was custom made for the room. It has 24 drawers in it, 3 columns of 4 drawers each. Now, notice the top of the island. That's my favorite part. If you love the jewelry, that's one thing, but what about what they're displayed in? This happens to be the Beverly Hills Organizer by Linda Coopersmith collection that you can find at the Container Store or Bed Bath & Beyond. And they're jewelry trays and necklace holders and so on. And what's great about this is that when you do have a place to display your jewelry, how fantastic when you're getting ready, you can see your entire collection in front of you. I hope your ideas run wild. See you next time.